In a small bathroom, space feels like a luxury. Yet, with light even the smallest room awakens. A window that lets in a morning beam, a mirror that multiplies its glow, and white tiles that shimmer softly. Here, the boundary between compact and complete disappears. The room breathes, quietly, like dawn itself. Less becomes more. In this minimalist space, every line serves a purpose. The tones beige, soft grey, muted white flow like calm water. There is no clutter, only the gentle rhythm of simplicity. It's not just design, it's the art of giving peace to what's small. A mirror stretches across the wall, reflecting light, illusion, and serenity. The floating sink hovers gracefully, its shadow dances on the floor. In this play of reflection, the space grows deeper than it truly is. The mind follows, quieted by symmetry. Each tile is a story of balance. Subtle patterns meet warm light, creating an intimacy that feels deliberate. The geometry doesn't shout, it whispers. And in that whisper, the room finds its order, beauty not in grandeur, but in proportion. A touch of green softens the edge of stone. Ferns on the corner, a bamboo tray, a rough texture that recalls riverside mornings. The space becomes more than utility, it becomes sanctuary. Nature, borrowed into design, turns the bathroom into a breath of calm. Behind the mirror, a secret compartment. Under the sink, drawers that vanish in plain sight. In small spaces, cleverness is comfort. Here, design becomes invisible, and that's the beauty of it. Everything you need, without ever feeling crowded. Warm wood meets cool metal, a quiet dialogue of texture and tone. The wooden frame of the mirror, the brushed steel of the faucet, the softness of light. In the midst of contrast, a sense of balance emerges. The modern humbles itself before warmth. A transparent partition divides yet connects. The glass lets light travel freely, uninterrupted, like air. The shower feels open, seamless, infinite. Even in small boundaries, design teaches us this: movement is freedom, not size. Matte surfaces absorb light gently, soft to the eye, soothing to the soul. Every touch tells a story, the brushed wall, the fine grain of the floor. In a world of gloss, this restraint feels like elegance. Silence has texture, too. As the night descends, the bathroom glows with candlelight amber, quiet and intimate. Reflections ripple across tiles. The day washes away, and what remains is stillness. In this tiny corner of the home, serenity finds its last refuge.